Hey everybody, it's Adam from WNC Coin Jewelry. For today, we're doing our instructional video for our zip tie style flexible ring sizer. So you found the website, you found the ring that you love. Now it's time to order it, but you're not sure your size. So you can order one of these from us. It's a zip tie style flexible ring sizer. Get it out of the package here. All right. You can see it is numbered 1 through 17. These are all done in half sizes. It's going to be very easy to read. Let me flip it over here. Put it inside that sleeve. Each little spot, I don't know if you can hear it, does click a little bit for you there. So just as an example of how to read it, this would be a size 8. Then you're going to come over and you're going to feel it kind of pop a little bit. You're not going to see another number, and the 8 is farther away. Let me try to get this back into focus. Then you take it over one more, and there's the 9. Same thing on your double digits, such as right there is the 12. 12's farther away, but you can see that little half, and you might see the 1. That's okay. You don't see the whole number. That's still 12 and a half. Boom. There's 13. So you can see very easy to read. So let me set this to a size 12, because I happen to know that size 12 is the middle finger of my left hand. So there's your fit. And you want it to be able to slide on and off with ease, just like you want your ring to be able to. Double check it. That's definitely size 12. Head back to the website, order the perfect size for your new favorite ring. Okay, and here we are back on the website. Now we're going to finish the process and order our new ring. So we're going to go here to the American Collection, the American Silver Eagle, beautiful ring. And we can begin the ordering process. We now know what size we need, size 12. And we get to choose our finish. You can have the bright polished finish or the antique patina finish. We're going to order this in the polished finish, and we're going to add that to the basket. Now, I'm going to go here to view basket. Now we're going to use the digital gift card code that was sent in your envelope. Make sure to use with dashes. And click apply. And here it is. You can see the price of the ring is $250. We are giving you back the $15 to order the sizer. So your new total for your American Silver Eagle ring would be $235. And we can go to the secure checkout. All right, guys. Thank you for watching our ring sizer instructional video. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day.